Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video in which we'll talk about the Ocean token or Ocean protocol, whatever you want to name it. But Ocean was lagging behind a little bit, but it has since found its bullish momentum. We're up about 30%, volume has increased to 157 to be precise, $1 million, and the AI and big data narrative is really picking up for Ocean protocol. Ocean protocol is a little bit more in the big data industry as opposed to AI, but obviously they're very intertwined. And you can see that we have been bullish for a while. I mean, most AI cryptos and stuff, which is the momentum and the narrative pushing us up right now, most actually were very bullish Sunday. And as I said, Ocean protocol lagged behind a little bit, but we have made that up. Have had some massive bullish breakouts above 45 cents. Above this level between 54 and 52 cents. And right now we're at that 60 cents level. So we'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about whether I expect that we can break that and get to our next price target around 76 cents and basically what you can expect. But first I wanted to talk a little bit about Ocean protocol. So as I said, the big narrative and the big trend pushing us up is really that big data and AI narrative, which we obviously already last week heard a lot about when Google also made a 300 million investment into one of those AI companies. But I also wanted to take some specific time for Ocean protocol, because I think Ocean protocol, and you can disagree with me on that, and there's definitely points to be made and good arguments, but I think Ocean protocol really is one of the best actual AI and big data projects. If you take a look at all of them, you can see the graph, which is, well, great as well. But then you have Singularity Net and Fetch AI, which both are great projects, and they do have some real use cases and they are real projects. But I think Ocean Protocol is just better. I still remember when I did the research on that, I think maybe 3/4 of a year ago. And I was very interested in that, and I thought it was a great project. So if you still need an AI token for the long term, it's not financial advice, but I really think Ocean protocol is the best one. That's also why I like analyzing it. But yeah, so as I said, what you see now is that this candle hasn't closed, but it's closing in about 20 minutes. It has already closed once the video is uploaded probably. So even though it has not happened yet, what will probably happen is that we will break above 54 and 52 cents. And that will be in this level between ultimately 52 cents as a support and 60 cents as a resistance. And then the main question is can we hold our supports to be able to break above 60 cents and get up to that next price target? And that's a very hard question. What I expect just in terms of price action is that I do expect us to get a little bit higher and then this, so I do expect us to test 60 cents and maybe even 61 cents, which is the upper bound of that level. And then from there, I do not think it will be easy to break through 60 cents, because even though 61 cents is the top level, I think breaking above 60 cents is already enough. So basically, I think we'll consolidate a little bit on top of 52 cents. Now, if we can stay on top of that for at least 2 days, then I do think that eventually we will break above 60 cents and get up to that next price target around 67 cents. And altogether, just to be honest, that's also my bias. I do think the AI and big data narrative will continue. And I think that eventually Ocean Protocol is going to be able to get towards 67 cents, even though it may take a little bit longer. But for now, it really depends all on that 52, 54 cents level. If we can actually stay on top of that for the next 2 days, I think we'll stay in that level and then at some point break above 60 cents. But now, while we've just broken above that, there's still that small chance that we'll drop down below 52 cents, after which we will drop down to our previous resistance level at 46. And then we'll consolidate here, and then, as most of you might imagine, it's a little bit harder to get towards 67 cents. And it's more likely that 60 cents remains our price target then. But yeah, as I said, I think that something like this is the most likely scenario, like this. I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, this is my take on Ocean and Ocean Protocol. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.